Hey guys, welcome to this new lecture. Now, in this lecture, I'll show you how to put and how to warranty that all your followers see one of your most important information. So if you have information that you want to share with them and you post in a Twitter, in a regular post, let me show you here. Usually you post here and they receive more and more notifications, so the post that you created goes down on the timeline. Especially when you are very regular posting, you post new topics every day, every 2 days, new tweets. And the important stuff, if you have one tweet that is very important and you want to keep on the eye of your audience for a long time, it will go down on the timeline, so it will be difficult to find later. To solve that, we can pin a post, and I'll show you how to pin your tweet very easily right now. So here we are on our account. We have everything here, and now it's time to create a new tweet. This is the one that I just wrote saying, if you are new here, please follow us in all these channels so you don't miss any updates or promotion, and you can add your channels. So I add, in this case, my Facebook page just for testing and to show you how you can use it on your advantage. So here I pin I post this tweet, and now we can pin this to make sure that this post will always be at the top of your timeline. Doesn't matter if you have lot of posts, lot of tweets on your account over time. If you pin one tweet, as I did with this one, for example, in my main account, you see here pin tweet, and it has the pin icon. So that means that doesn't matter what time my users come to my account. Every time they come, the first tweet that they will see is the one that is pinned. And this is a powerful tool because you can use this on your advantage. How do you use it? On this case, for example, you see that I wrote about my other platforms. So if I want to invite everyone that is new to my Twitter account, or even people that are not new but are not following me on other social media platforms, I can drive them with this post to any other platform. So in this case, I am driving them to my YouTube channel. Okay, so every time somebody comes here, they will see this and they will click and go to my other channels, in this case to my Facebook group. So how do I warranty that this is at the top? I need to pin the tweet. I go here on more and I click on pin to your profile page, and Twitter is asking me, this will replace a previously pinned tweet. Are you sure? This you will see in case you already have something pinned. I say yes, I'm sure, and now this is a pinned tweet. So if I refresh this, you see here that we have the pin icon here and it's saying pin tweet. So basically, right now, if I create a new tweet, the new tweet will go below this one that is the pin one. Okay, so how do you use this? You can use this, for example, if you have a new product, if you are launching a new product, you can add information about your product, telling your audience about it, and pin the post there with a video, with pictures. It's very important to have pictures and videos on your post because people love to watch videos and look to pictures. You know, people like more. The engagement goes up when you have multimedia materials on your post. Okay, so post there. You can also post to landing pages for clients. I always suggest when they said to me, my goal is to start building my email list. So if that's your goal too, you can create a landing page and you can post the link to your landing page here with your headline. You can say, hey, learn how to create a website in 8 minutes for free. Here is the link. Okay, so if they click there, I mean, it's a call to action. You can add call to actions there. You can add links. There is no limit of the use that you can have for the pinned tweet, and this is powerful again because this will be there forever until you remove it, basically. So if you want to remove a pinned tweet, you can just come here to more and click on unpin from page profile. Okay, or basically, if you don't want to do that, you can just select another tweet, and just click on pin to your page profile. And by doing that, the system will ask you if you are sure. You say yes. And by doing that, you will see the new one here at the top. So think about, it's not enough. My goal here, as you know, is to make sure you get the results. So probably the pin strategy that you learned in this video, you already knew that, because that's very, I mean, every social media platform has this tool, this option. But the thing that I want you to think about is how are you going to use this on your marketing, on your advantage. So my goal is for you to have real results. So I invite you that by the end of this video, you don't just jump to the next lecture. You stop now after this video is done and you take action. So basically, go to your profile page, create a new tweet. Doesn't matter, I mean, if it's a landing page, if it's just something sharing your website or anything like that, you need to have, by the end of this video, one tweet pinned to your account. That's the goal, and you will see how this will help you on your marketing over time, because you will see people clicking on your links, everybody that comes to your page that is new, or everybody that is already your subscriber, they come to your profile and they will see your pin, and it will call the attention of your followers, okay? So I hope you like this strategy. Think about this, plan how you are going to use this, create a landing page, drive people to your website, to your YouTube channel, doesn't matter. Just make sure you always have a pinned tweet here on your profile, okay? See you in the next video.